Welcome back to my channel. Today's quick product review is on this Americat pet food and water bowl that I purchased on Amazon for $24.99. Yes, it is expensive for one bowl, but I will tell you why it is worth every penny. One of the reasons is because it will last you a lifetime. So here's the name of the company. It holds up to 16 ounces of food or water. And if you were to measure across, we're looking a little close to 6 inches, yet it's only 1.5 inches tall. And there's a reason for that. It's because when cats, and I'm focusing on cats, but this can be for dogs as well, when they drink or they eat out of a bowl, not only does it have to be safe for them, but it has to be nice and wide so that they can relax their whiskers as they're eating and drinking. They don't like anything on their whiskers. So this prevents whisker fatigue. And whisker fatigue is when they constantly have to keep their whiskers against their cheeks. Kind of stresses them out. So my little guy loves these. It's just perfect. He drinks comfortably from this bowl. Holds up to 16 ounces. It is dishwasher safe. Very easy to clean by hand. It's an American-based company. It is lead-free, human grade, and food safe. These have been tested and certified free of lead, mercury, and other radioactive elements that are bad for pets. No toxins, no allergens. And like I said, you can use this for dry kibble, wet food, and water. They're easy to clean, sturdy, and durable. You will love this product. I don't have anything bad to say about them. And I usually give an unbiased review. I don't really have anything. This is my 4th bowl. It's worth it. I love it. My little guy loves it. Happy kitty or a happy pet is a happy life. Let me know if you have any questions about this product, since we've been using these for approximately 12 months or so at this point. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.